Have you ever had the need to test a BGAN application but found it too expensive or time-consuming? Do you recognize any of the following challenges? Some functionalities take a long time and are very expensive to test on air, as for example, BGAN HDR bonding. It is hard to document that our applications are optimized with regards to data generation. The time from deciding to develop an application to revenue realization is sometimes a lot more than a year. We spend a lot of time on setting up test beds. If your answer is yes, you'll probably agree. There's a need for a more efficient test and verification process. With the BGAN application tester, you can now test on the bench with on-air functionality. Here you see a typical application test using the live BGAN network as the data connection. With the new BGAN application tester, there is no need to go on air. You are now able to test any scenario, anytime, and anywhere you want. The use of expensive airtime, traveling, or inconvenient testing times is no longer necessary. You get a revolutionary one-box test solution that fits all BGAN terminals. The BGAN application tester emulates the I-4 satellites and ground stations. This means you do not need a line of sight to the satellites, and there's no need to wait for available network resources in order to test. It ensures a test situation as close to reality as possible, as the terminal and the RF side is included. It requires no airtime. A test SIM card will be used. It has a user-friendly GUI, and it supports all BGAN segments and classes, land, maritime, and aeronautical. It enables you to test mobility on the bench and thereby save travel costs. You can add traffic to your channel so you can test how your application copes with low bandwidth and longer response time. You can optimize your BGAN application for data generation and document it. And you will be able to test covertly and avoid exposure. To sum it up, these are the game-changing advantages. No airtime bill, which means you can save your free airtime for selling and promotion of your application. Improved customer value. Thorough end-to-end testing means robust, high-quality, low-risk, and optimized applications. Reduced time and resources used on setting up a test environment and for the actual testing. Shorter time to market and hereby to revenue realization. Whether you have a temporary or consistent need for testing, we have the right solution. This is how you get a more efficient test and verification process. The BGAN application tester. Any scenario, anytime, anywhere, with no airtime costs.